Welcome to Cuba.
Hey guys, Phil here again with Nomad Photo Club. I'm with Marissa, whom you may know from Marimundo, if you follow her on Instagram and on her blog, right?
Yes.
Yeah, and right now we're in Vinales, and I'm gonna let Marissa talk a bit more about Cuba and what we've seen so far.
Let me tell you guys about a very special place I get to call home, and that is here in Cuba. We're in Vinales right now. They might say that Cuba is stuck in time, and maybe it appears so, but we have a lot of great and amazing things that are happening in the country that you guys have to check out, and you will check out when you come with us. For photographers, Cuba's amazing because the people are great. They'll be your best subjects for portrait photography, and there's also nature. I mean, look at this. This is beautiful. There's history, such rich history being in Cuba. We are 500 years old. And so there's a lot to see and a lot to shoot on every single corner of the country. And I'm going to be showing you my country and my island that I am so lucky to call home. So if you want to know what I'm talking about, you should definitely follow Nomad Photo Club and my page, Mima in Cuba, on Instagram to see my photography, their photography, and see what the country's all about.